Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're looking at the Nokia X200, a budget-friendly smartphone released in 2025. Nokia continues to focus on durability and reliability, and the X200 is no exception. Let's dive into its features, exterior design, and overall performance. The Nokia X200 comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display, offering a full HD resolution. While it may not have the high refresh rates of flagship models, it provides good color accuracy and decent brightness levels for outdoor use. Powered by a mid-range Snapdragon processor, it ensures smooth daily performance, handling apps, browsing, and light gaming without major issues. The phone runs on a clean version of Android, staying true to Nokia's promise of regular software updates and security patches. On the camera side, the Nokia X200 features a dual lens setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a secondary depth sensor. The main camera captures detailed shots in good lighting, but low light performance is average. The front-facing camera sits inside a small notch and provides decent selfies for video calls and social media. Nokia includes AI enhancements to improve image processing, making photos look sharper and more balanced. Battery life is one of the standout features of the X200. With a 5000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Fast charging is supported, allowing the phone to charge up quickly when needed. Nokia has also kept the headphone jack, making it a great choice for users who still prefer wired audio. Stereo speakers enhance the multimedia experience, providing clear and balanced sound. The exterior design follows Nokia's signature build quality, featuring a durable polycarbonate back with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The phone is available in multiple colors, giving users some variety. A side-mounted fingerprint scanner is integrated into the power button, offering a fast and reliable unlocking experience. The device also has an IP52 rating for splash resistance, providing some protection against accidental spills. In conclusion, the Nokia X200 is a solid mid-range smartphone with a focus on battery life, software support, and durability. While it may not compete with high-end flagships in terms of performance and camera quality, it delivers a reliable experience at an affordable price. For those who want a simple, long-lasting phone with Nokia's reputation for build quality, the X200 is a great option. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.